Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the Cure the Leather backpack in Icarus. So first of all, go to the tech tree, tier 3, and make sure you've got the advanced textiles bench unlocked and craft it. And from here, just go ahead and unlock